Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on creating optimized single-page applications with React and React Router for seamless navigation. If you've ever felt frustrated by slow, clunky web pages that reload every time you navigate, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of single-page applications, or SPAs, which are revolutionizing web experiences by offering dynamic, fast, and desktop-like interactions. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to harness the power of React and React Router to build efficient SPAs with seamless navigation, skills that are highly sought after in today's tech industry. We'll also touch on real-world applications and tackle common challenges like SEO and state management. So stick around, and if you find this content valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you at the forefront of web development. Let's get started. At the core of single-page applications is the ability to dynamically rewrite the current page without reloading, which provides a smoother user experience. Think of a traditional website as a book where each page is a different chapter that requires flipping back and forth, causing delays. An SPA, however, is like a digital scroll where content appears as you need it, without waiting for the page to turn. React, developed by Facebook, is the engine that powers this smooth experience. Its component-based architecture allows you to build small, reusable pieces of UI that can manage their own state. This makes it easier to maintain and scale applications. On the other hand, React Router complements React by managing navigation and state transitions. It uses the browser's History API to update URLs and render components without full-page reloads, ensuring a seamless flow. This setup is particularly beneficial for applications like social media platforms, e-commerce sites, and productivity tools, where real-time updates and interactions are crucial. However, SPAs do come with challenges. SEO optimization is tricky because content loads dynamically. Techniques like server-side rendering, SSR, or static site generation, SSG, can help mitigate this. Another challenge is the initial load performance, as SPAs tend to load the entire application upfront. Strategies like code splitting and lazy loading are essential to optimize this. Lastly, as applications grow, managing state becomes complex, often requiring tools like Redux or the Context API. Now let's dive into some code. We'll look at a simple example of an SPA using React and React Router. This application has three main components: Home, About, and Contact. In our src app.js file, we start by importing React and necessary modules from React Router DOM. We set up a router and define our routes within a routes component. Each route corresponds to a different component, which renders the respective page content. Notice how the navigation links are declared within a nav element, allowing users to switch between pages seamlessly. This setup ensures that only the required components are rendered, minimizing load times and providing a fluid user experience. Let's take a closer look at the app.js file for this implementation. Let's see our SPA in action. When you first load the application, you'll be greeted with the home page, which welcomes you to our SPA and highlights the seamless navigation experience. Clicking the About link transitions you to the About page, where you'll learn more about the technologies we use to create optimized SPAs. The Contact page provides information on how to reach us. Notice how each navigation action is swift and without page reloads, thanks to React Router handling the routing behind the scenes. This seamless experience is what makes SPAs so compelling. As you navigate, the URL updates to reflect the current page, maintaining a proper history that users can navigate through using the browser's back and forward buttons. This fluid interaction is a testament to the power of combining React with React Router. And there you have it, an optimized single-page application using React and React Router. By mastering these tools, you're equipped to build sophisticated web applications that offer dynamic, fast, and engaging user experiences. Whether you're developing a social media platform, an e-commerce site, or a productivity tool, The principles you've learned today will be invaluable. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to continue sharpening your skills, consider subscribing to our channel. We regularly release content that helps you stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in web development. By subscribing, you'll accelerate your learning curve and gain access to real-world examples that you can apply directly to your projects. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.